Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to TWT update for Tuesday. TWT, this is what I said yesterday on Signals, and the Discord is opened up for those who want to join Signal and be a part of it. I do recommend you to join us as well. Super cheap, $10 per month. And yesterday I talked about TWT isn't going as per my expectation. We could see 30% down to $1.4 and it need to go above 2.3 and hold it to continue higher. So basically this is a message I sent out yesterday, and we were trading near to $2 and now it's at $1.98. So unfortunately, if I go back to the 4-hour time frame, this is what we have currently. So number one is you try to go up, try to make the pennant, but unfortunately this pennant is messing up. It actually messed up from that point, this point onwards. That's where it messed up. Okay, and we might not have the $4.6 technical target coming in. It's a target nonetheless, but unfortunately, you know, you go step by step and you have to see what are the chances of continuing higher, because in crypto you're not guaranteed anything. You can have technical targets to the upside and they never go there. Okay, that's just how trading is. Okay, and the reason why that happens is because when sellers step in, you're gonna have a lot of sellers stepping in, and then boom, everything just goes absolutely bad. Now the moment this is what happened, you moved up, you try to make that pennant, but you broke out of the pennant, and if you take the technical target of that pennant, is gonna be from that top here to the bottom, and that's where you're moving down. So that actually takes you near $1.4, and that's gonna be a drop of nearly 27-30% to the downside. Now what I want to see for this coin though is nothing is guaranteed. Some people could say that this is a lower trend line coming in like that. Could be, okay, could be, but personally I think this one looks better than drawing a line like that. I kind of like the upper one, but let's say if this was your another level of support as well. Let's say just for an instance, yeah, this looks like a pennant or an extended pennant, and you could still be on the verge of coming up with this here. Let's entertain that idea as well. So number one, you want to put a stop loss down at 1.89. okay, so you don't want to take 1.89 out, and that's going to be a 3.85% move down. But for me, the best thing that I can say that if it happens, then we could be on the possibility of saying that this is going to move higher is that you come up here, cross 2.1393, backtest 2.02, and then boom, you push up to 2.66 and higher. So that's pretty much it for this update on TWT. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah.